What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making a video about nutrition, which I haven't done much about yet. So on Instagram I had been doing a Monday meal prep a while ago, and today is Monday and I'm going to teach you how to kind of do your meal prep. The goal of the video today is to show you how to keep track of what you're eating to kind of match your goal. So if your goal is to gain weight, you're going to look at what you're eating to know if you're eating enough or if you should be eating more and at what time of the day. Also, if you're trying to lose weight, the same thing. How much you're eating in the day, if you're not eating enough or if you're eating too much at different times of the day. I'm going to do that using my new friend, the food scale. Like 20 bucks. You can get some on Amazon, most food stores. We got this at Canadian Tire for you people who are in Canada. And so today I'm going to be working on breakfast. So I'm gonna make some morning oats, overnight oats actually. And so I'm prepping them for the week. I'm gonna measure how much I'm putting in to know kind of exactly so that I can put it in on my FitnessPal. So this is my FitnessPal. So it puts in like all your food data. I didn't put anything in for lunch and supper yet. But if I tell you what I put in for today for my breakfast, I had cream of wheat, which was 110 calories, some sun-made raisins, 60 calories. Ooh, sorry. Some almonds, 30 grams, so 174 calories, with milk for my cream of wheat, and broiled eggs, about 3, which was 105 calories. I don't have to calculate any of the calories or anything myself. The app does it for me. So having the food scale makes it very easy to calculate how much you're eating. You don't have to guesstimate. You just put it on grams, fluid ounces, or I think they have, is it cups? I don't know. Another thing. So it makes it easy to put it in onto the app, and then you kind of know what you're eating through the day. So this video is not going to be talking about how many carbs you need, how many protein. You kind of have to figure that out for yourself. Try to follow the Canadian food guide, which may be biased or not. I'm not here to tell you what to eat, but just to look at what you're eating. So what I have for my morning oats breakfast thing, I've got some almonds, raspberries, blueberries, my oats, a touch of honey, and some milk. Non-lactose, because my wife likes it. Yeah. And of course I have my scale. So to start, I will put my little bucket thing on the scale, turn it on. So because I put it on, I put my bucket thing over the scale before I turned it on, it's at 0. I'm gonna put about between half a cup, oh my gosh, this is terrible. Half a cup of oats in there. If I change my units, it's only grams. Okay. Luckily, my little bowls have, so right now I'm at about half a cup. I'm gonna put a little bit more, because I know that it's not quite enough to fill me up. I'm at a little bit more than, maybe a little bit more than half a cup. So maybe a little bit more. Okay, now I have 90 grams of oats. And I can go in and put some blueberries. And I'm gonna put how much I want to eat in there. And then, so I have 161 grams. So that means I have about 71 grams of blueberries. So another way you can actually measure all that is if you zero out. So on my scale I can just zero out, so now it's weighing nothing. And then when I come and add my raspberries, it tells me I have 45 grams. So I don't have to do any math, I just need to look at the number that's there. Otherwise, I have to calculate every time I'm adding how much is the difference between what I have and what I have, what I had and what I have with everything that I add. Now all I need to do is add my almonds. So I zeroed it out again. And I want, yeah, perfect, like about 31, yips, 31 grams of almonds. Zero it out the last time. And I'm just gonna add in my milk. And I can do it in fluid ounces. So that would be it. I have 4.5 ounces, I think. I don't usually measure in ounces. So I'm not gonna really measure how much honey I'm putting in. It's just for a little bit of sweetening. Okay, so I just calculated how many calories are in my breakfast. So with the oats I have 350, the raspberries 23, blueberries 40, the almonds 179, and the milk I added was about 72 for a total of 666 calories for my breakfast, which is not bad. With the honey maybe a little bit more, but I'm not putting that in because I'm just not. So as you can see, it's pretty easy, and then I can play around with those numbers, or I can choose to just eat the same thing every day, the same quantity. So I know after a while if I know if it's enough or not enough, and it's easy to track because I can just re-put in the same information every day. I don't have to complicate anything and recalculate because it's just easy with the scale. If you have any questions about how to track your nutrition, feel free to leave a comment below, or follow me on Instagram where you can DM me. Otherwise, like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the content and that it helped you out with your journey.